Welcome to Construction Horizon. Let us see what are the tools and tackles used in plumbing. So some of the common tools are mortar pan, shovel. They are used to dig trenches, and this is pipe cutter for cutting the pipes. It is used. This is cutting plier used for variety of tasks. This is ratchet brace used to drill hole into the pipes. This is chain wrench used to tighten or loosen pipe connections, and this is die set. This is pickaxe used for making excavation or prying. This is spade used for making excavation. This is caulking tool. So when the two pipes are connected, it is used for making a suitable surface. This is filing tools to bring the pipe surface to desired shape. This is calipers. They are used to measure the dimensions of the pipes and etc. Thank you.